My name is Jeff Davis. I'm a product manager here at the Ditch Witch organization. I work in the HDD division. This week here at the Utility Expo, we're showcasing the all-new JT21. The JT21 is a direct replacement for the JT20, 20,000-pound drill. This actually has 21,000 pounds of pullback, 74 horsepower diesel-powered engine. This is one of our top-selling products in the marketplace today, and it has been for some time. This is hands down one of the top communication small product size drill in the marketplace. It's for your your in the city limit areas. This is a 400-foot shot unit, so where you find yourself with the in the communication lines, that's a lot of work. What they do, they go out and shoot 300 to 400 foot a day, grab product, pull it right back. Very popular in the industry. These drills are very small, compact. They fit on small trailers. They can be pulled by smaller vehicles. Don't have to have such a large vehicle to show and tow on this. Smaller vehicle to pull the product around, and it's a quick setup. The key to this again is putting more product in the ground, which puts more money in your pocket. And to do that, you got to be fast. You got to pull up, unload the unit. It has a 2-anchor system, hydraulic driven. That makes it very simple and fast. It'll go up to the job site to prep, to anchor down immediately. In all reality, you have your housing on, you're drilling. That's the key to this. JT version only is all we offer in this model. So again, 21,000 pounds, 34 horsepower unit. We made some changes from the JT20 to the 21. Some of the key features to this is, first of all, we widened it 4 inches for better stability, making it wider for better stability in the marketplace. These units don't always drill on flat ground. They do drill in the bar ditches and different places like that. So stability is the #1 driver, a key componentry of this for safety of everybody in the industry, okay? Secondly, we made a change on the rod loading shuttle arm systems. JT20 had an elliptical style system rod loader, and then it loaded the rods from the back of the rod box to the front. We've gone back to our flat horizontal rod loading shuttle arms like we see on all the rest of our drills, and you load out from the front of the box and work your way to the back. That's a key piece of that. Next, we've gotten rid of we no longer have a gearbox on this model. This is actually a direct drive hydraulic motor directly to the spindle. So that's a huge change for us. And what this did was increase and gave us a 40% more downhole horsepower over its predecessor with the same horsepower diesel engine in that. Big change. Went to a single rack and pinion on this model. That allowed us to set this up and give us the width we want, where we want to be at. Another couple big componentries on this that ties this all together, and we'll call that good after this is a new platform drill. So in our division, if you look at or know any of our other products, so from a JT21, a JT24, a JT32, JT40, and a JT120, all are the same, looks the same, feel the same model platform. So what that does for you, it gives you training of operators. They can jump from the 21 to the 24, the 32, the 40, and the 120. The controls are going to all be the same. Platform drills, modular-matic, and with this comes multi-mode joysticks, tying this together. So operators, you got a big industry where you got lots of operators moving from competitive products to ditch witch products or whatever. We can put that in either one of the 3 modes of operation, from a single joystick control to dual joystick controls that the competitor also runs, so that operator can be faster uptime. He's out working and drilling.